works across all devices. Both mobile phones and tablets support fast charging. Hrolan 200W all-in-one super fast charging Type-C bundle, paired with a C-to-C charging cable, can all achieve original fast charging for various smartphone brands, intelligent identification of smartphone fast charging protocols, automatically select the corresponding chip for operation. Samsung 45 with super fast charge 2.0, Xiaomi and Redmi 120 with Max Gold label fast charging, Honor Max 100W super fast charge turbo, Huawei Max 100W super fast charge turbo, Oppo Super VLOC 200W, Vivo IQ0 fast charge 200W. Also supports iPhone series. PT fast charging protocol for the iPad series. Charge up to 60% in just 30 minutes. Charge with a chip. Intelligent overcharge control. The housing is made of fire-resistant PC material. Multi